Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about how to add an Android app to your emulator or actual device, it doesn't matter, using ADB or Android Debug Bridge. Let's get started. So, I have my Intro to Android Security version 2.1.0, which is the latest version, on the left, and I have an emulator, Android x86. So, first what I need to do is I need to get the IP address of the emulator. So, I'm going to click on the 6 dots and go to Terminal Emulator, and I'm going to type ifconfig, and let me make this bigger. Here, we see here that we have an assortment of addresses. We want the WLAN 0 or wireless LAN 0. And as you can see, it gives us an internet address of 192.168.192. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my virtual machine and go to the terminal, and I'm going to connect using that IP address. And as you can see, it connected successfully. We see that here, connected to 192.168.192 on port 5555. So with Android Debug Bridge, the default port is 5555. So first, I guess, let me back up a little bit and mention what is Android Debug Bridge. Well, it's an application that allows you to interact with your mobile device or emulator. And what you can do, in most cases, what people use it for is to install apps onto their phone from a computer. Now, with Android Debug Bridge, it's a two-way communication, meaning now that we're connected, I can send information from my virtual machine to my emulator, and I can also send items from my emulator back to my virtual machine. So it's a two-way communication. So, and it's very good when you're doing mobile hacking to use Android Debug Bridge. Well, when you're doing Android hacking, it's good to use the Android Debug Bridge because, again, it's two-way communication. You can send things to your device, and you can also send items from your device back to your computer to investigate more. So now that we're connected, how do we actually install? So I am in my documents directory. So inside the Intro to Android Security virtual machine, in the documents directory, I have added an assortment of vulnerable Android apps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my documents folder, and I'm going to do the crack me. So I'm going to CD to the crack me APK. So if I do a list in here, we see I have all of these APKs. And again, if we open it, it's the same here. So this view matches this view here. So now what I'm going to say is I'm going to say ADB install, and I'm going to say crack me challenge 1, and I'm going to press enter. And as you can see, it says performing streamed install, and we have success. So now if we go back to our emulator and click the 6 dots, we have successfully installed the Crack Me Challenge 1 onto our emulator. And this will be the same if we had a phone. You know, we would use USB between your computer to the actual mobile device, And then again, once you have everything connected, successfully, you can use ADB to move items from your computer to the device back to your computer. So, a short but sweet video to show how to install an app, in this case, in my emulator using ADB. So, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.